As local marketers, we are always being asked how to get more reviews on Google. This seems a simple enough question, and before we start looking at ways of achieving this, it's worth noting what's actually being asked. A couple of years ago the question may have been, why do I need reviews? Or, why are reviews so important? The fact that people now ask how to get more reviews on Google illustrates the switch in awareness and shows business owners understand they are a powerful asset and can have a huge impact on sales and local footfall. Now, let's get down to business and address the question of how to get more reviews on Google. The first thing to remember, and yes, it seems very obvious, is to make sure you have a Google My Business page that's set up correctly and that reflects your business and the services you provide. This is often overlooked, and you'd be surprised by the number of businesses who don't even realize Google has built them a Google My Business page or that their page has vital information missing. This is a subject in itself, and well documented in our other blogs, so let's not get bogged down. Assuming you have a page, and it's correctly set up, the most important thing, and never overlook this. If you don't ask, you won't get. Simply asking people for a positive review is the simplest and most effective way of building those all-important reviews. Don't be embarrassed to ask. After all, if you've done a great job and your customer is genuinely happy, you deserve all the credit you can get. Not sure what to say? Here are some good pointers, but obviously tailor them around your circumstances.
Thanks for visiting us today. If you have been impressed with our service, can I ask that you leave us a review on Google, please?
We're currently asking all of our customers for a review, as it really helps us as a local business.
Please don't keep us a secret. If you get a minute, please leave us a review on Google.
This is a great start, but having a way of prompting your clients to leave you a review is always a good plan. Personalized review cards cut out all the hassle of people having to search for your business online, and review cards enables them to leave a review in seconds. Each one contains a custom short link and QR code which takes people to your page there and then. Putting up reminder signs can also help, as it subtly primes customers and makes them more responsive to help when you pop the all-important question. If you have people working for you, don't forget to get them on board with your plans too. Your team should also understand the importance of politely asking each and every happy customer for a review. Many of them are the ones directly engaging with your customers, so make sure they have the tools and the know-how to work with your plan. So now, when it comes to how to get more reviews on Google, you know the answer. Keep things simple and always ask. And keep asking.